Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick message and wanted to talk about an easier way to make your fat loss journey a lot easier and making sure that you don't rely on all your willpower and making things a lot easier for you when it comes to the types of food choices that you make, and just making sure that you stay consistent with the type of diet that will be optimal for us to accomplish our goals. And one of the biggest things is our environment. So I want you to go look in your cupboard right now, look in your fridge, just look around the house and see if there's any type of foods that are not ideal. Refined carbohydrates, bad snacks, candies, processed foods. It could be things like soda or alcohol and like chips and things like that. And these things are traps. It's not a good optimal environment for you to try to lose weight, because it's going to be very easy and tempting to consume those things, especially if they're things that you've been consuming for many years. Like when you see it, it's an automatic trigger and you're automatically going to go and have some, and you're going to be able to rationalize it. So the easiest thing to do is optimize your environment and basically just kind of get rid of everything. When it's not there, you can't eat it. You're going to have to put barriers in front of, in front of yourself to be able to make those poor choices. And when your environment is optimal and you just have really good, healthy food that you enjoy, that tastes good, and lots of good, healthy fruits and vegetables, a lot of protein, whether that's in the form of meat or not meat at all, making sure that you have good, drinks such as like, water, almond milk, things like that. And when you just have those things around, it becomes very easy to make good food choices. But when you have all these basically these traps around your house, it becomes very difficult to make the right choices. And I mean, I'm at fault for this. Like, there's been times when I've lived with other people that they tend to buy foods that aren't in the best interest. I start eating these things, and I never eat. I don't buy cookies. I don't buy all this crap, but because it's there, I'll have it. You'll notice that when you're in an office setting and they keep buying all these snacks and treats and things like that, and you just can't help but to eat it, especially when you start seeing other people have them. And that's the hardest thing, because it's so easy to start doing other things that people do around us. So it's hard. I mean, some of you guys might have significant others or family members or roommates that don't really care about trying to become lean and maybe lose weight, just live a healthier lifestyle. So they don't really care. But if you can, within your control, try to do your best to optimize your environment, remove the traps, making sure that you have, put good traps for yourself, have the good food around. Just don't buy it in the first place, and then you can't consume it. So that's kind of my tip to make things a lot easier. It's worked for me. Your environment is one of the biggest factors when it comes to the types of things that you do every day. And for us to achieve our goals, we're gonna have to making sure that we instill these very good habits and making sure we're doing the right things every day, the right actions. And that's gonna get us to our goal. Not thinking about the goal and desiring it, but actually doing the things required to get there. And your environment is gonna be a huge factor when it comes to that. So just let me know if you have any other questions in terms of how to optimize your environment, how to get rid of the good thing, how to not get rid of the good things, get rid of the bad things, and then adding the good things to our environment. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.